Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy queries from one Power BI report to another step by step. Whether you're working on consolidating your data models, avoiding repetitive work, or just want a quick way to reuse your transformations, by the end of this video, you'll have 3 practical methods to get your queries from point A to point B hassle-free. Let's get right into it, starting with the simplest method, which is a quick copy and paste right inside the Power Query editor. First, make sure you have your source report open. Let's call this Report A. Open up Report A in Power BI Desktop, and then up at the top, head over to the Home tab, then choose Transform Data. You'll click this again in the dropdown to launch the Power Query editor. Now take a look over on the left, that's your queries pane. It shows all the different queries your report is using. All you need to do is right-click the query you want to move. It could be a data pull from a database, a calculated table, whatever you've built, and choose Copy. That's it for the first part. Now let's get things over to the report you want this query in. Open up Report B or whatever your target report is, bring up its Power Query editor in the same way Home, then Transform Data. Once you're in, head to the queries pane again, right-click anywhere in that blank space and hit Paste. And like magic, your query pops right into the list, complete with all its applied steps and logic. Don't forget, this method is super fast and perfect for copying one or a handful of queries. Also, if your query is referencing data sources or parameters, just double-check those connections in the new report to make sure nothing's broken. Next up, there's a slightly more under-the-hood approach, copying the M code itself. If you just want the transformation steps, not the full query object, or maybe you want to tweak or share just the logic, this method is for you. Here's how. Open the Power Query editor in your source report, select the specific query, and up on the Home tab you'll see Advanced Editor. Click that, and you'll see the entire M code that defines how your query works. It might look a bit like a programming language, but don't worry, you're just going to copy all of it. Now head over to your target report's Power Query editor, and this time when you add a new query, pick New Source, then Blank Query. Go into its Advanced Editor and paste in the code you copied. Give it a name that makes sense for what it's doing, and hit OK. This is really flexible if you want to share just your data logic. Think of it like copying and pasting a great recipe from one cookbook into another. Now for cases where you've got several queries to transfer, maybe your model is getting a big upgrade or you don't want to repeat these steps over and over, there's a much more powerful method. Exporting and importing a Power Query template. In Report A's Power Query editor, click on File, then Export and select Power Query Template. That's the PBIT format. It'll save out all your queries, including steps, relationships, and parameters, to a single portable file. When you're ready, open Report B, go to the File menu and choose Import, followed by Power Query Template. That's it. This brings in all your queries at once, which is a huge time saver. And there you go. Whether you're doing a quick single query copy, sharing transformation logic, or migrating a whole suite of queries, you now know all the smartest ways to get your queries into a new Power BI report. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy querying.